In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use trailing stop in MetaTrader 4. A trailing stop is a flexible form of stop loss that automatically follows price as your trade moves into profit. It locks in gains without you needing to constantly adjust levels by hand. Think of it as a moving safety net. If the market continues in your favor, the stop moves with it. If the market turns, the stop stays where it last moved and can close the trade to protect your profit. Start by opening a trade the same way you normally would. It can be a buy or a sell. The trailing stop works with either direction. Once your position is live, you'll set up the trailing behavior from the terminal. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard. At the bottom of MetaTrader 4, switch to the Trade tab. This tab lists all of your open positions, including ticket numbers, symbols, lot sizes, entry prices, and current profit or loss. Find the trade you want to protect. Right-click that open position in the Trade tab. A context menu will appear with several options for managing the order. This is where you access the trailing stop controls. Hover your mouse over trailing stop in the menu. You'll see preset choices such as 15 points, 20 points, and 50 points, as well as a custom option. In MetaTrader 4, points are the smallest price increment. On most 5-digit quotes, 10 points equal 1 pip, so 50 points is about 5 pips. Choose a preset if it fits your strategy, or click Custom and type in your own value in points. Pick a distance that's larger than the average spread and minor noise so you don't get stopped out too quickly. If you ever want to change or remove it, return to the same trailing stop menu to adjust the value or select None. That's it. Your stop loss will now automatically move with price once the trade becomes profitable by at least the distance you set. For example, if you chose 50 points, the platform will start shifting your stop to keep it roughly 50 points behind the current price as the market advances. It will never move the stop further away if price reverses. It only tightens in the direction of profit. A quick but important tip. In MetaTrader 4, trailing stops are managed by your terminal. Keep the platform running and connected for the trailing function to update. If the terminal is closed or offline, your last stop loss level remains in place, but it won't continue trailing until you reconnect. Use this tool to automate discipline and let winners breathe while risk stays controlled.